Place value drawings within 1000 to add. Day 2. Grab your whiteboard and paper and let's get going. Quickly write down the number you see. Notice it is 98. Notice the big spaces here. Those are simply there to make it easy for you to see the groups, so you don't have to count them. All right, let's start adding. 67 plus 85. Do you see that nice 100? And then you have 30 plus 10 equals 40. Oh, 5 and 5. There's that 10 we love. And the extra 2. Combine your like terms, which are your 40 and your 10, together for a 50. And in expanded form, we have 100 plus 50 plus 2 equals 152. Notice how easy it is to see the answer if you make it organized. All right. Again, do you see that 50 plus 50? We don't need to count all those because we have put them in groups of 50, and we know 50's partner is 100. 30 plus 30 equals 60. Oh, 5 and 5 is 10. And then 4 plus 2 equals 6. Combine your like terms, which is your 60 plus 10. Then in expanded form, we have 100 plus 70 plus 6 equals 176. All right. Make sure you're working at yourself before you look at my work. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, leave a space. 60, 70, leave a space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leave a space. 6. All right, now we have a 40. Remember, we have a couple options. We can put that 40 over there in the extras, but then we have to search for that 100. Or, if we remember what we practiced, we know that a 50 minus a 10 has the same value as a 40. So I need a 40. I can choose to do a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and minus that 10 right there, which is personally what I like to do. And then we need a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave a space. 6, 7, 8, 9. When we do that, there's a nice 100 because I forced it to be 100 by making that a 50 and subtracting a 10. Then I have a 10. And don't forget the other 10 there. Plus a 5. So 125. Make sure you count that 10 as well as your 5 and 5. Nice. All right, remember you're working this out before you look at my answers. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, leave a space. 60, 70, leave a space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leave a space. 6, 7, 8, 9, leave a space. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, leave a space. 60, leave a space. Now, see that 4? It's going to cause us a problem. It's always nicer when they have 5 groups in there. So you can just put the 4 over like I have it, or you could think of it as a 5 and put 5 right there, and then get rid of a 1 up there. So you decide what you like. I'm just going to do it over there this time. So 50 plus 50 equals 100. 10, 20, 30. This 5 is going to look for his partner, so there's a 4 and a 1. Make sure you know that there are 3 left. So combine our like terms, which is the 40, 100 plus 40 plus 3 equals 143. All right. Ready to solve? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Leave a space, and I'm going to put these 4 clear over there. I don't have a 50 group, but I also don't have any extras, so I'm just going to line it up there. And a 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 50 plus 30 equals 80. This 5 needs his partner, which is a 4 and a 1. So 10 plus the 3 left over. 80 plus 10 plus 3 equals 93. Nice. I love these kind of problems when all of your digits are 5 or higher, because that means we have 50 groups to match up, 5 groups to match up, and it just works out nice. So there's my 50, 60, 70, 80, leave a space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leave a space, 6, 7. And a 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, leave a space, 60, 70, leave a space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leave a space, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you see how easy it is? I can see my 100. I can see my 10. So 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 6 equals 166. That's why I like digits that are 5 or more, because then everything just lines up nicely. Okay, last one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Leave a big space because we want to come clear over to our ones. Okay, do you see all the good stuff? There's your 100. There's your 10. So 100. Now if you want to by now, you can see that that's 40 and you can see that that's 10. So you can combine it right there if you want to. And then it's ready for your final answer. We have expanded and then standard. Great job today.